In this video, we're going over how to unlock your LG Wing so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your LG Wing so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the dialer, and you're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show you the IMEI of the phone. Make sure you write down that number. We will need it in the next step of the video. After that, we're going to go home, and then we're going to go to Google Chrome, and we're going to go to the website theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First will be the manufacturer, which is going to be LG, and the model is going to be the LG Wing. So all the way at the bottom, look for Wing. Swipe, 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 and almost there, Wing. We're going to tap Unlock Now. Now on the next screen, it will ask us a few more questions about specifically where we purchased the phone and the country. So country and the carrier. So the country is going to be United States. Carrier is going to be AT&T. Tap Next. On the last screen, this is where you would need to put in the IMEI, which we got in the first step of the video, your full name, the email address you want the final instructions delivered to, and a contact number as well. At the bottom here, you'll see the cost to unlock the phone. So normally it's $35, they only charge $20, and the average turnaround time is 1 to 12 hours, so you'll get a response same day. And basically you're gonna tap Order Now, and then you would enter your credit card information, and once you submit it, the process starts, and then you'll wait for an email with the final unlocking instructions. Now, unlocking phones, the process does change from time to time, so you do need to wait for that email for those final instructions to finish unlocking your phone. I will show you this. Now, once those instructions come, you will need to have your SIM card ready of the service you want to use the phone with. So I'm going to use a T-Mobile SIM card with it. And all I need to do is take out the old SIM card, put in the new SIM card, and then restart the phone, and then follow the final instructions in the unlocking company's email, and you should be good to go. If you do run into any challenges, at the top of their website, they do have a toll-free number you can call. They also have a number you can text 24 hours a day to get assistance. And that's one of the reasons why I love this site, is because you have a direct line of communication with the company. In the event you have any challenges, you can reach someone to get it resolved. And for whatever reason, if they cannot get your phone unlocked, you do get a full refund. So you can't beat that, a company that stands by their service. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.